Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and tech to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of document scanning with the Canon imageFORMULA R10 portable document scanner. Let's see if it's worth your hard-earned cash.
The Canon imageFORMULA R10 promises to revolutionize your document management game. With its compact size and powerful features, it's marketed as the ultimate solution for digitizing your paperwork hassle-free.
First off, let's talk about portability. This thing is small, weighing in at just 2.2 pounds. You can easily slip it into your bag and take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the R10 has got you covered.
But don't let its size fool you. This scanner packs a punch when it comes to performance. With two-sided scanning and a 20-page feeder, you can breeze through your documents in no time.
Plus, it's fast. Like, really fast. It can scan up to 12 pages per minute in black and white, and up to 9 pages per minute in color. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're a Windows user or a Mac aficionado, the R10 has got you covered. And get this, there's no need to fiddle around with complicated software installations.
The powerful scanning software is already built in, so you can hit the ground running. Speaking of software, let's take a closer look at the built-in scanning software.
It's intuitive, easy to use, and packed with features. You can preview your scans, adjust settings, and even create custom scanning buttons for your specific needs. It's like having a professional scanning studio right at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Canon imageFORMULA R10 portable document scanner is a game-changer for anyone looking to go paperless. Its compact size, lightning-fast performance, and seamless compatibility make it a must-have for home offices, classrooms, and businesses alike. So if you're ready to declutter your workspace and streamline your document management process, look no further than the R10. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy scanning!